welcome to my channel, Gypsy Girls World. Today I'm going to make a traditional green bean casserole, but I'm gonna make it with fresh green beans. I'm gonna French slice them all, and I know you're gonna love this. It's delicious. So if you would like to watch me make fresh green bean casserole, please keep watching.
So I cut off the end of my green beans. Sometimes I cut off both, but most of the time just the end that has the stem on it. And I find the natural line in the green bean and just cut along it. And then I just do all my beans like that. And then I kind of simmer them in salted water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then this is a half a cup of milk, a can of cream and mushroom soup, a dash or a pinch of black pepper, however much you like, and 2/3 cup of French fried onions, just mixing that up. And then I'm going to transfer this with my beans into a bigger bowl so I don't make a big mess trying to stir it up, so I can get it all incorporated. Then I'm going to put it back in my baking dish and then top it with the rest of the French fried onions. And cook it for about 25 minutes on 350. And it's all done and delicious.
Okay, we're all done with our fresh green bean casserole. I know it looked a little time consuming cutting all those green beans, but I like it. I think it's worth it. A little extra something for your dinner. So I hope you enjoy this. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.